So, dumb trick. Counting on your hands in binary to 1,000.
Okay.
Well, to a little more than 1,000. So, 0, right? 1, 2. So now I'm using this as the 2 to the first marker spot.
Okay.
And I'm using my thumb as the 2 to the 0 marker spot.
Okay.
So, 2. 2 and 1 is 3.
Okay.
Then 4 is kind of rude, right? Because that's
Okay.
2 to the 2, and no 2 to the 1s, and no 2 to the 0s.
Mm-hmm.
And then 5.
Okay.
And then 6 is where things get trippy. How do you get 6?
2 to the 1.
So you need a 2 to the 2,
Mhm.
and a 2 to the 1, and no 2 to the 0s. So
So just that.
that's 4, and 2 is 6.
Okay.
So then 7. And now 8's hard to do just because of biology. 8.
That one, yeah.
And then 9. And then 10 is hard.
Is that right? Yeah, that's right.
And then how do you make 11?
11, we got 8 plus. We would need 3.
Yep, so 11 you need an 8, and a 2, and 1 more.
And 1 more. Okay.
Yep. And then 12. Right, that's an 8 and a 4, no 2s, no 1s.
Okay.
13. Right? So that's 8, and 4, and 1 more is 13. And how do I get 14? Good.
That.
14, I need an 8, a 4, and a 2.
Okay.
Yep, 14. 15. Then 16. Right, I
Okay,
have
yep,
1,
2 to the
2 to the 4th, and nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
17, 18, 19, 20. Right, 16 and 4.
16 plus 4. Okay.
Yeah, 21, 22, 16, 4, and 2 more. 23. Then you kind of carry, right? 24. That's a 16 and an 8.
Mm-hmm.
25, 26. And you can, once you get to the other hand, right? So this will count to, so what's this one? It's 16 and 8 and 4 and 2 and 1.
4 and 2.
It's maybe easier to think about, what would this guy be?
That's 16.
This one was 16. So this is another power of 2.
2 to the 5th.
2 to the 5th is
2 to the 5th.
32.
32.
So this is 32. So back here is 1 less, right?
Okay. So that's 31.
So that's 31. So you can count to 31 on one hand.
It's a weird number. It's not like perfectly like divisible.
Yeah, so the funny reason for it, right, is that it's 2 to the 5th minus 1, because you had that 2 to the 0 spot, which didn't count for a 2, right?
Okay. So you can
So-
get to 31.
So you get to 31 on one hand, and then on the other hand, let's see, so if I did all of these, this would be 1 shy of needing a third hand with 1 finger on it, right? So I stick my tongue out for that one.
Okay.
Right, and now that would be 2 to the 10th,
Okay.
which is
2 to the
1024, 1024 in base 10. And so I'm 1 short of that. So on my fingers, I can count to 1023 base 10, but I'm doing it base 2.
Man.
It's kind of a dorky trick. The 31 thing is that if you teach little kids to do this, it's super badass.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
That's
know a
really
couple
cool.
mathematicians who taught their little children to do this, and they just crush that like counting on fingers things.
That's awesome.
So, stupid trick, but worth knowing.